Hi guys, we're back for another episode of Gelli Plate Play. Today I am going to use Stazon Ink. This is a solvent-based ink, and I'm going to stamp with it. I'm going to just use the black today. You could use colored ink if you want. If you have Stazon in colors, which I do, I just want to show you this technique. So I'm going to do a few little pages with it, and hope you enjoy this. We are just going to use, now I just re-inked my pad so that it was nice and juicy. The best part about the Stazon is that it dries very quickly. I'm going to just ink up. Okay, so we need really nice inky, and then don't be afraid to push down on your Gelli plate. Your rubber stamp is not going to hurt the Gelli plate. And you kind of have to push down a little bit harder than I remembered. You do want to see your stamps through the paint. You don't want a real thick layer of paint. And you get that. I think this stamp is got an attitude today, so we're going to have to try it again because I really like that stamp. Oh, I really like that. The text is just barely there. Oh yes, I like this one. Like that one a lot. So maybe to me, I need a bolder stamp. I'm not sure. I do like this. Let me bring you in so you can see them close. Then we'll talk about them just a little bit. Why is that crooked? There we go. This stamp just didn't want to take the ink today, and maybe I need to clean it and condition it, and that would probably be a wise decision. Anytime you use Stazon ink on your stamps, you really should clean them. That solvent does not help your stamps. They need a little bit of what do I want to call it? Conditioning. The bolder the stamp, the more it's going to show up, which is shown by this. But I really like the subtlety of this one. I think it's really kind of pretty with it on there. And if I took a little more time with this text stamp, I think it would look more like text. I was slapping it down, and I think it needs, I was probably sliding. The Gelli Plate was sliding a little bit. But I did get this one to work. It's just that it didn't work as well as it should have. It just was not picking up the ink today. You do want a juicy Stazon pad, and like I said, you want to clean your stamps when you're done. Anyways, guys, I want to tell you, go have fun. Make some art. Bye-bye.